Okay, so I'm going to rotate point A about point Q through 72 degrees. And I'm just going to show you one point rotated around the center point. Rotating a triangle would just be rotating 3 points, and etc. Okay, so you can do things in different orders when you're doing this, but what I prefer to do is the following. First of all, every rotation is a rotation follows a circular path, okay, and around a center point. So Q is my center point. So when I rotate A, it's going to end up on this, somewhere on a circle with Q as a center and A as a radius point. So A prime is going to be somewhere on this circle. Now certainly I don't need the whole circle, but if it's just a single point, I'll just make it. If it's more points, maybe I just want to make the arc. 72 degrees, 72 is a positive number. Positive rotations go counterclockwise. Okay, so now what I need to do is find the correct angle to rotate through. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a ray from Q through A. Okay, and now I want to measure a 72 degree angle. Okay, so I'm going to bring my protractor up and put that center point on my center of rotation. Okay, and I'm going to measure, trying to be really careful, 72 degrees. Okay, so I'm looking at this, I'm starting at 0 and going up to 72, so that's the inner ring of numbers in this case. Okay, and so 72 looks like it's right about here. The smartboard's not letting me mark that, so what I'm going to do is just draw a ray out, okay, from the center, okay, so I'm coming this way, following those inner ring of numbers, and there's 72, okay. You would be able to just draw a point out there and then connect with a ray. So you might have done it where you're just drawing a point out here at the edge of your protractor, and then you add the blue ray. I just had to do it in a different order because of the smartboard. And so now my image point, A prime, is where the arc and the point meet. So there is A prime, right? You're going to want all of that ray AQ to measure from to make sure your protractor is lined up properly. But you really don't need all of this ray. You can just use your straight edge to go out and get that point of intersection. Okay, so you might just make a smaller piece there. Again, keeping your construction neat and minimalistic, using the shortest arcs and segments that you can is going to be to your advantage if you're doing anything with multiple transformations. That's it.